Automotive Expert gives users a hands-on education with common systems that make up today's vehicles. Paired with Virtual Automotive Mechanic, you can practice the assembly and disassembly of systems that you learn about. In this video, we will show you how to navigate the application. When you launch Virtual Automotive Expert, you will see the major systems that you can explore and learn about. Z-View is available and can be activated by pressing the button at the top right. You can also change your preferred language here and close the application. When you select a system, like the engine, a new window will open and the exploration can begin. Pick up the model using the center button on the stylus to take a closer look. The text box on the right provides detailed information about the function of this component. Below, you have options to modify your view. In this case, you can see an exploded view of the model by clicking here. To the left, there are many modules that contain interactive experiences to help you understand this system. If you take a look at the operational principle, the model will change to better display what's being described. Using your stylus, you can now drag through the stages while the model animates. Different models have different options for how you can view and simulate concepts. Explore them all to learn everything you can about each system. Virtual Automotive Expert gives users a functional understanding of how major mechanical systems work through hands-on interactive self-learning.